arrived at the Luminaire lighting control system for this building because this one in particular was able to integrate the occupancy sensing at the lighting level with the HVAC system. The savings kick in immediately once you commission the system. We put in over 2,000 LED fixtures in the building, and each of those fixtures was integrated into the Enlighted energy system. Allows you to tune each fixture individually. On a sunny day, the lighting system is able to dim extremely far down. We're seeing 80% savings over the design numbers. And overall, the lighting system has contributed significantly to us exceeding our aggressive energy target. The system that we installed at Pacific Tower is certainly adaptable as tenants move out. Because each fixture can be individually tuned, and the system can be recommissioned without actually changing out any of the hardware.
As a tenant of the building, the lighting system, first off, is important to us because we want an enjoyable and productive workspace. Second, of course, is the operational cost savings that occur. We're probably getting some of the lowest cost lighting services as we could expect from any office building. Seattle City Light was a great partner for the renovation of the Pacific Tower. Without the support of the utility, both in terms of helping us vet the technology that got deployed in the building itself, as well as providing some incentives for the energy savings features that would occur here, this project could not have happened in the way that it happened.
Overall, the Enlighted system is incredibly versatile. It is able to adjust down to the fixture level, is able to give feedback to the operators in real time. So the sort of granular data that is really helpful in achieving the types of aggressive energy savings that we're going after.